See the presentation.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
write in chat box.
Yes,
Both the
ma'am. We
division
can.
students can write. Uh, is the PPT presentation clear? A division students. Please write in chat box, or you just unmute and give me the call. A division. Presentation and audio from my side, it should be clear. A division students, please tell me. ए डिवीजन स्टूडेंट्स, बच्चों जल्दी बताओ मुझे, प्रेजेंटेशन क्लियर है? ऑडियो एंड प्रेजेंटेशन ओके. बी डिवीजन.
Yes, ma'am.
B division also says clear. Okay, let's begin. So we will go to quickly. We will go to the slide which we wanted to start. Star delta is over. This is over. We were doing these numericals we have done, and this was this was the last slide we left with. This was the last one. We were doing what we did last time. We did KVL, and which is called as Kirchhoff's voltage law. We were doing last time Kirchhoff's voltage law, and the application of KVL we have done as loop analysis. Loop analysis we have done only with voltage sources. I'll just quickly draw the diagram, that this type of diagram we have done last time. Please check. We have started with this type of diagram. I can have number of diagram, number of second. I need to connect my charge. Okay, this type of numerical you are able to do. This particular circuit consists of only voltage sources. This has only voltage source. Now I am going to draw one circuit. Please see this circuit carefully. This circuit has current sources also. Okay, this circuit has current source. This one, like this. This has large number of resistances. We can name them as R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, and R6. Or okay, let it be E1, E2, and say current source I. So the difference in these two circuits is this has a current source. So you are not, current source has internal resistance. What is the internal resistance of current source? Infinity. So we are not able to write the equation for this loop. So if you take, this is loop 1, this is loop 2, and this is loop 3. I call it I1, I call it IA, I1, I2, and I3. Since you don't know, this internal resistance of the current source is infinity. So you are not able to decide the voltage between A and B. What is the voltage between A and B? We don't know. Anna, what is the voltage here? Current into resistance. What is the resistance? We don't know. Infinity. So we cannot write KVL in this loop. We cannot write KVL in loop 1. Why we cannot write KVL in loop 1? Because there is a current source. We cannot write KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law equation, in loop 2. Why we cannot write? Because this is in loop 2 also. We can write KVL in loop 3. Loop 3 mein you can write KVL. Is it? So one equation you are able to write. We cannot write equation in the loop which has current source. Here only voltage sources are there, so it is possible to write the equation. Here we can write the equation, but you cannot write the equation in second. इसमें हम equation नहीं लिख सकते. So, what is the current in this branch? Current in this branch is I1 is downward and I2 is upward. So what about the current in this branch? I will say I1 minus I2. This is equal to IA. Is it one equation? I1 minus I2 is IA is upward. So downward is minus I. I1 is downward. I2 is upward. So what about the current? I1 minus I2. So I1 minus I2 is equal to minus IA. This I will call as one equation. Okay. Now, second equation you can write from here. Third loop equation. What is equation of loop 3? I1, I2, I3 is equal to this. Loop 3 लिख रहे हैं. So what is the coefficient of I3? R4 plus R5 plus R6. So what is the coefficient here? Positive. R4 plus R5 plus R6. What is the coefficient of I2? Common to third row you will think R31, R32 and R33. What is R31? 3 and 1 में कुछ common नहीं है? 0. What is common between 3 and 2? R4. What is R33? R4 plus R5 plus R6 equal to minus E2. This is equation 2. So how many current sources are there? There is one current source. So we will write one equation from current source. Then whatever equation is possible, third loop equation is possible. Now we need, there are three unknowns I1, I2, I3. So we need to have one more equation. And one more equation you will write as, this is very important to know that this my word form. One more equation we will get as one equation I will get by combining. If single loop is ruled out, one more equation you will write by combining. Now you just combine. इसको combine करना. Let us combine this equation. Combine. इसको combine करना. Okay. Because where is current source? This is in between 1 and 2. So you will combine 1 and 2. Now look at this green equation. Can you write this green equation combining 1 and 2? Because this is between 1 and 2, no? So combine 1 and 2. So when we combine 1 and 2, what about this voltage? What about this voltage? I1 R1. So this is minus I1 R1 minus E1 minus I2 R3 minus this is E2, huh? This is E3. Say this voltage is E3. This is E3 minus E3 minus R4. And what is the current in this resistance R4? This is I2 minus I3 equal to 0. Please learn how to write this equation. This equation I have written as I1 R1 minus I1 R1 minus E1 minus I3 minus I2 R3 minus E3 minus R4 I2 minus I3 equal to 0. May R2 भी रह गया. Minus this is cursor मिस हो जाता है. Minus I1 R2. This one green one. So this will be acting our third equation. So this is a special technique when you have only voltage source. Only voltage source, the circuit is like first part. This. When you have current source also, you will write number of equation from the current source. Then you will write the equation whichever is possible, which is equation number 2, and third equation we have to combine the loop. कौन सा loop combine किया? Because this current is between 1 and 2. So you can combine 1 and 2. When you combine 1 and 2, this start from this I1 R1 minus E1 minus I2 R3 minus C3 minus I2 minus I3 R4 and I1 R. So please practice this type of numerical also. Number of numericals you will find in the book which we are going to follow. The book we are going to follow, you can follow the book which is Basic Electrical Engineering. This is Basic Electrical Engineering. This is a book name I'm writing. This is Basic Electrical Engineering by B.R. Patil, Dr. B.R. Patil. Okay, by Dr. B.R. Patil. This is good book and most of the numericals are given. Different type of numericals are given. Okay, so after completing that, we are going to learn today this is different technique and which is called as nodal analysis. What is called as node? If number of branches are at this point, this number of branches are there. This is called as a node. Okay, this is a node. So more than 2 branches are meeting, we call it as a node. So I'm going to tell you what is nodal analysis. Nodal analysis is based on KCL, which is called as Kirchhoff's current law. We mark all the nodes in the network. One of the node is assumed as a reference node whose potential is assumed to be 0 and it is called as reference node or bottom node. All other nodes have different voltages with respect to reference node. For example, suppose you take this one as a reference. Suppose you are taking this as a reference. To take this as a reference, एक second, I'll select a bigger cursor. That will be better. थोड़ा सा. So this is the reference node. So reference node is always taken with 0. So if I say this voltage is VA, this voltage is VB, this voltage is VC, this voltage is VD. This 0 volt is always taken as negative sign. याद रखना है, 0 volt is negative sign. So other voltages are all positive. This is all positive. Fine. So if I say this is my reference, this is VA and this is VB and this is VC. Reference is always defined with the sign, एक ground वाला symbol होता है reference का. Reference means 0 volt. If I randomly say this is a direction of current, say this is I1, this is I2 and this is I3. Please have a look at this diagram which I have drawn. I have taken this as a reference. Say this voltage is VA, this voltage is VB, and this voltage is VC. Okay, I1. I1 is a current which flows from where to where. If I name this as D, I1 is a current which flows from D to A. Is it D to A? So, what is this I1? Current flows from higher potential to lower potential. So, is it I1 is equal to VD minus VA upon, say, R1. If I say this is R1. So, what is this I1? I1 is equal to VD minus VA divided by R1. What is I3? Tell me what is I3? I3 is equal to VC minus VD divided by, say, R3. What is I2? I2 is equal
VD
to
minus VB.
VD minus VB divided by resistance.
I2. R2.
Current flows from higher potential to lower potential. So wherever you are taking the current flow, randomly you will select the direction. This direction we have selected as per our choice. So this is the sign convention we are going to take. Right? So please just keep this sign convention in your mind. Current flows from higher potential to lower potential. So जहाँ भी तुम्हें whichever direction of current you consider, take its lower potential and its higher potential. Okay. So based on this convention, I am going to write certain equations. I hope you are sitting with your pen and pencil, pen, paper, pencil. So wherever you feel the need, you can note it down. Reference node should be given number 0 and equations are written for other nodes. Correct. How many equations will be possible? If possible equations, how many equations will be possible? We are able to write the equation. One node is taken as a reference. So how many equations we will write? Definitely n minus 1 equation. How many equations we will write? N minus 1. Is it? Because one node is taken as a reference. So how many equations you will write? N minus 1. Choose nodes and node voltages are to be obtained. Define the direction of current. Apply KCL. अभी ये सब तुम्हें बताऊँ. Let us come back directly to the circuit. This is a circuit. I'll give you the working of one circuit, then you'll understand. This circuit I'll zoom out little. इसमें zoom नहीं हो रहा है. Zoom करने के लिए I have to go back. This one. इसमें भी नहीं हो रहा है. Overall, I realize this computer work is very stubborn. It's not flexible as we work on board. कोई बात नहीं. Let us see. Please draw this diagram. The diagram जल्दी से draw करो, so that I can tell you how to solve it. How many nodes are there? This is one node. ये zoom नहीं हो रहा है because I am not able to zoom this diagram. एक second देखते हैं. यहाँ हो रहा है. Just for your reference, I'm telling you. Please draw this diagram. इसको मैं हटा देती हूँ. Please draw this diagram which I have shown on the screen. हाँ, ये writing वाला मत लिखो, diagram draw करो. If you have this diagram, you will find in this diagram, this is taken as one node, this is taken as another node, and see, nothing is connected here. So this we have taken as a reference node. Right? While solving such type of numerical, first you draw this diagram in your notebook. Did you draw the diagram? This diagram? Okay. So we can take this as node number 1, this as node number 2, and this is a reference, and reference is always taken as 0 volt. Okay. Then your first step is to take one node as a reference node and other nodes as V1, V2, V3 number, whatever nodes are there. Let us see some direction. Randomly I'm taking this as I1. This I'm taking, this is as per my wish I'm taking I1, I2. I'm taking this as I3. I'm taking this as I4, and you can select different if you want. So how many currents we have selected? I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5. There are 5 currents which I have selected. We are going to write KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, at node A or node 1. Okay? This is a node 1 for V1. Incoming currents, what is your convention? All incoming currents positive, all incoming currents positive, and outgoing currents negative, and outgoing currents negative. All incoming currents positive and outgoing currents negative. So what is the equation at node A or node 1? What is the equation at node 1? Incoming positive. So I consider I1 is incoming, I2 is outgoing, and I3 is incoming. So this is I1 which is incoming, I2 which is going away, and I3 which is coming. This is I1 minus I2 plus I3 equal to 0. Okay, now what is I1? Let us define what is I1. From where to where? I1 is equal to V1. देखो I1 में क्या है? I1 isn't it I1 given directly? प्लीज देखो जल्दी से I1 को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Do we have to write the equation for I1 or I1 is given directly? I think I1 is given directly. Is it? So I1 is given as minus 1 ampere. दिया ना ये? I1, what is this I1? I1 is equal to minus 1 ampere. ठीक? So I1 is minus 1 ampere. I2, what is I2 equal to? Where is I2? This is I2. I2 is equal to V1 minus, I can call it V3. V1 minus V3 upon 2. Is it I2? I2 is equal to V1 minus V3 divided by 2. Or this is V1 minus 0 upon 2. What is I3? What is I3? कहाँ से कहाँ है? V2 to V1. So this is V2 minus V1 divided by 2. V2 minus V1 divided by 2. So what is the equation you have got? I1 plus I2 minus I3. What is I1? Minus 1 ampere. Minus. What is I2? I2 is equal to V1 minus 0 divided by 2. This is I2. Plus. What is I3? V2 minus V1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Okay, let us combine minus V1 by 2 minus V1 by 2 plus V2 by 2 is equal to 1 ampere. I further simplify V1 into 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus V2 upon 2 is equal to plus 1. And minus minus, this is equal to. Okay, so एक मिनट, इनकमिंग है ना ये, सो I1 इज इक्वल टू, I1 तो इनकमिंग है ना. अच्छा, हमारा ये कन्वेंशन है. इस कन्वेंशन में -1 है, पॉजिटिव ही है ना, नॉट माइनस. प्लस ही तो है I1 की डायरेक्शन. इनकमिंग है तो पॉजिटिव है, इनकमिंग है तो पॉजिटिव है, सो यहाँ दिस बिकम -1. चलिए करेक्ट इट. Next page. Okay, देखो. So this is the equation. What is this equation? V1 into 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus V2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1. Now I will tell you how to check this equation. इसको मैं check करना बताती हूँ. How to check? How many voltages are there? 2, no? So you will write V1 and V2. Like you were writing current I1 and I2. So here you will write voltages V1 and V2. Fine, okay. When you were writing node 1, now you are writing equation for node 1. Node 1 matlab just like loop 1. So when you were taking loop 1, what you were taking as a reference? R11, R12, R13. Now you will take references. I call it G11 minus G12 minus G13. This is G11 minus G12 and minus G13. This is reciprocal of resistance and we call it conductance. इसमें resistance था and we call it conductance. This is reciprocal of resistance. So what is G11? G11 is, you can note down, G11 is reciprocal of resistance at node 1. Acha. One thing you will remember, this is current source of 1 ampere. So as soon as you see that there is a current source which is connected in series with the resistance, what is the internal resistance of the current source? What is internal resistance of the current source? Isn't it infinity? I taught you. Internal resistance of the current source is infinity. So what is the resistance of this branch? What is the resistance of this branch? Don't you find the resistance of this branch is infinity plus 1? Infinity plus 1, is it? So infinity plus 1 remains infinity. So as that means there is no significance of this resistance. Please remember, as soon as you see that any current source is connected in series with resistance, any current source connected with in series with the resistance. Note it down. Any current source connected in series with resistance, that current source become null and void. Any resistance which is connected in series with the current source becomes null and void. So as soon as you see that there is 1 ohm resistance connected in series with the current source, so I have put a cross mark here. देखो मैंने यहाँ पे cross लगा दिया. This resistance will never appear in any calculation. Redundant, useless for us. So what is G11? Total conductance at node 1. What is total conductance at node 1? This is 1 upon 2, 2 ka 1 upon 2, and this is 1 upon 2. So what is G11? G11 is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. What is G12? Common to 1 and 2. What is common between 1 and 2? This is 1 and this is, where is 1? With the cursor to bahut gaib ho jata hai. This is 1 and this is 2. What is between 1 and 2? 1 upon 2. So this is 1 upon 2. What is G13? Between 1 and 3? Do you find anything connected between node 1 and node 3? Node 3 तो है ही नहीं इसमें, तो हमारा G13 तो आएगा ही नहीं. Only 2 nodes आते हैं ना. Fine. So what is this equation? यहाँ पे आएगा G11 and here we'll have G12. So what is G11? 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. V1 minus. What is G12? G12 1 upon 2 V2 is equal to current due to known sources. What are known sources? What is known source? Current due to known sources. कहीं तो mistake किया क्या हमने? Incoming current is positive. Outgoing current is I2. This is V1 minus. I'll check it once again. This is incoming plus 1 ampere. This is V1 minus 0 upon 2 and this is V2 minus V1 upon 2. So this is minus V1 minus V2 plus V2 by 2, and if it goes to right side, it becomes here minus 1, so it becomes plus 1. Please make the correction in the sign convention. So this is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 V1 minus 1 upon 2 V2 is equal to total current due to known sources. What is known source? 1 ampere. This is incoming, so this is plus 1. So this is plus 1. So don't you find this equation and this equation is exactly same? ये दोनों equation तो same है हमारे. यहाँ पे प्लस हो गया ना, ये प्लस हो गया ना यहाँ पे. So this is what I'll tell you how to write this equation. Second equation. चलो second equation अपना notebook में लिखो. Please write second equation your own. I can write equation in 1 minute, but तुम लोग को लिखना आना चाहिए ना. So how many voltages are there? V1 and V2 2. So write voltage 2 times. Write this voltage V1 and V2. Okay. Which node you are taking as a reference? Node 2. So V2 will be positive and V1 will be negative. Same loop के जैसे. What is इसमें तो है ही नहीं resistance. Even if this resistance is 1, this resistance is 100, this resistance is 200, that doesn't make any difference for us. इसकी हमारे लिए कोई value नहीं है. Okay. Even if the resistance is not there, this resistance, here can be some resistance, here can be resistance of 100, it can be resistance of 0. It has no value for us. So what is the coefficient of V2? Coefficient of V2 is this 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1. This is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1. What is this coefficient? G21. You will think about second row. G21 and G2. What is common between 2 and 1? This is 1 upon 2. So minus 1 upon 2 V1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1 equal to current due to known source. Which is known source? 2 ampere. Incoming hai? Incoming hai to 2. So what is second equation? Minus 1 upon 2 V1 plus 3 upon 2 V2 is equal to 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. You can simplify for V1 and V2. And this is called as KCL. I'll give you, please, I'll erase this diagram. I'll make the diagram clear and just see, can you simplify this equation? Can you write all KVL equation? ठीक है. So let us move to next circuit. एक काम किया करो, next time onwards I will tell you in advance that which circuit you have to keep ready in your notebook. ठीक है, तो मैं आज ही बता दूंगी कौन सा सर्किट हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. So you can draw that circuit in the notebook. So immediately we can solve. We are really running short of time. So we will not waste time in drawing the circuit. Okay, let us go for next. I will take this one. I want to take this one. Third, question number 2 is very simple. So I want to take third one. Yes. Is it? Let us do third. Okay. So find the current in 100 ohm resistance. That means we have to find this current. ठीक, we are going to apply KCL. क्या लगाना है हमको? We are going to apply KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. अरे third KCL लगाना है. How many nodes are there? 2, V1 and V2. I misplaced my cursor number of times. This is V1 and V2. Okay, so can we take this different direction of currents? I1, I2. I prefer डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट जो करंट सोर्स की है वैसे की वैसे, सोर्स का माइनस का चक्कर खत्म हो जाता है. एंड I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5. I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. Fine. Node A. What is the equation at node A? Equation at node A or node 1, whatever you call it. Say no. All incoming positive. I1 plus I2 minus I3 is equal to 0. I1 plus I2 minus I3 is equal to 0. What is I1? I will write direct. This is reference 0 volt. So what is I1? This is 0 minus, देखो ध्यान से देखना, 0 minus V1. Is it 0? 0 minus V1. This is a difference in node. Abhi, when you start from this point to this point to this branch, don't you find that there is 60 volt in between on the way? And is this 60? We are going this way. On this way, do you find that 60 volt is positive? Minus say plus 60 volt is positive. So we will add this 60 here. So what is the voltage between D and A? I call it node C. चलो इसको हम C बोलते हैं. What is the between C and A? देखो ये C है and ये A है. You can call it 3 or 1. So this is 0 minus V1 plus 60. 0 minus V1 plus 60 because it is a rise divided by 20. This is I1 plus. What is I2? This is I2. I2 is direct given as 1 ampere. So I will take this as 1 ampere minus. What is I3? This is I3. I3 कहाँ से कहाँ है? V2 minus V1 upon 30. This is V2 minus V1 upon 30. And this is my equation 5. Okay, can we check it? This is V1 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 30. 1 upon 20 कहीं तो हमने गलती किया है क्योंकि माइनस साइन रेजिस्टेंस में कभी नहीं आता है. माइनस. व्हाट इज I3? वेयर इज I3? V2 माइनस, यहाँ पे प्लस होना चाहिए. I1 इज इनकमिंग, I2 इज इनकमिंग, I3 इज इनकमिंग. मिस्टेक हो गया ना, बिकॉज 1 upon we were taking minus 1 upon 20 and this we are getting plus. यहाँ पे माइनस किया तो प्लस होता है. रेजिस्टेंस इज नेवर नेगेटिव. So if you take V1, minus 1 upon 20 and minus 1 upon 30 minus this thing. Plus this is V2 upon 30 is equal to minus 60 upon 20 minus 5. I will take minus sign common because 1 is reference, so reference को हमेशा positive है. 1 upon 30 minus V2 upon 30 is equal to 60 upon 20 plus 5. Can you check whether this equation is correct or not? I can check it. Let us put V1 and V2. Which node you are taking as a reference? We are taking node A as a reference. Node 1. So 1 के coefficient क्या होगा? 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 30. This is 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 30. Minus. Coefficient 1 and 2 में common क्या है? 1 upon 30 is equal to total current due to known sources. Which are known sources? This is 1 ampere or ये भी तो नॉन सोर्स है, तो व्हाट इज द करंट हियर? 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 20. देखो टूवर्ड्स लेंगे तो प्लस एंड टूवर्ड्स लेंगे तो 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 20. दिस वी आर गेटिंग एग्जैक्टली सेम. Can you write node 2 equation directly? V1, V2. Coefficient of V2 positive and V1 negative. What is the coefficient of V2? 1/30 plus 1/50. 2 पे कितना है? 1/30 plus 1/20 plus 1/100. So this is 1/30 plus 1/20 plus 1/100. Common between 2 and 1. What is common between 2 and 1? Same as common between 1 and 2. This is equal to total current due to known sources. known source क्या है इसमें 2 पे? 40 वोल्ट. 40 वोल्ट. known मतलब टूवर्ड्स देखें, टूवर्ड्स ये पॉजिटिव है ना, सो दिस इज प्लस 40 टूवर्ड्स प्लस 40 है अपॉन 50. This is equation 2. This equation and both the equations, what we have to find? Current through 100 ohm. This is current through 100 ohm resistance. So what is current through 100 ohm resistance? What is current through 100 ohm resistance? What is current through 100 ohm resistance? I4. What is I4? V2 minus 0 upon 100. Is it? What is I4? What is this I4? Is it V2 minus 0 upon 100? So you will simplify for V2. And V2 upon 100 is current I4. This is equation. This is question number 3. और दिखाती हूँ. See. Can you find all the node voltages? This is question number 4. Please check. Find all the node voltages. Little bigger this diagram. Find the current through 5 ohm resistance. Current through 5 ohm resistance मतलब this current. Same. Node 1, node 2, node 3 and reference. Write the equation at node A, node 1. Write the equation at node 2. Write the equation at node 3. Look at this diagram. Next one. Node A, node 1, node 2 and node 3. See the question number 7. ठीक है ना? Question number 8. Question number 9. थोड़ा सा 9 देखो. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है question number 9 में. Just check question number 9. Check. Question 9. Question 8 तक तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Question 9. This particular question has, this is I1, this is I2, this is I2, this is I3. I call it I4 and I call it I5. ठीक है ना? I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5. What is current I1? I1 is equal to, I call it V1, I call it V2 and I call it V3. So what is I1? This is V1 minus V2 upon 4. I1. What is I2? I2 is equal to 2 ampere. Current दिया है तो current source में लेना है. What is I3? I3 is V2 minus V3 upon 3. ठीक है? What is I4? V1 minus V3 upon 5. What is I5? What is I5? Minus 5 है ना? Current की direction में minus 5 divided by, there is no resistance connected here, isn't it? So resistance तो है ही नहीं उसमें. And if you say 0, if I put a 0, so what becomes I5? Infinity. Open circuit. Got stuck? You got stuck here? Got stuck here, isn't it? So what we have to do for such type of numerical? For such type of numerical, if you take this as a reference, if you have taken this as a reference, तो मतलब this is 0 volt. Is 0 volt here? What is the voltage between these 2 points? Don't you find this is 5 volt? 0 volt. This is V1 and this is 5 volt. This is 0. Don't you find if we go from here to here, do you find there is rise in 5 volt? This point to this point. Isn't it rise of 5 volt? Yes. So what is V1? Rise and so V1 is directly taken as 5 volt. Okay, problem solved. You can write equation at node 2. You can write equation at node 3. And V1 is equal to 5 volt. So how many unknowns are there? Only 2 unknowns are there. V2 and V3. So this type of numerical are to be done by this method. Okay. So this way we have finished nodal analysis. This is node analysis. Please solve the numericals. सारे numericals register में करो. Whenever you come to college or whenever I ask, you have to submit for your term work. There is term work of 25 marks. 25 marks type term work होता है, which is called as term work. So term work के लिए whatever numericals are given as an exercise. So wherever you find this type of homework, ऐसा वाला, this homework you have to submit. So take the break of this thing, 15 minutes. Then we'll meet again, and I'll start it in the next lecture. We have to go little fast now. We have to finish the syllabus by 10th of April. बच्चों तुम्हारे लिए टाइम कम है. Syllabus is not reduced. Hardly one topic is reduced, and that had only 2 lectures.
Ma'am, can you show question number 6?
Hmm?
Can you show the question number 6?
I'm not getting you. Please speak little loudly.
Ma'am, can you just show me question number 6? Previous slide.
Okay. This one? 9?
Ma'am, that's question 9. 6, ma'am. 6.
This one. This one. Okay. This is question number 6, which I have highlighted. This is question number 6.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 6. Node 1, node 2, node 3, and reference. Just write. Take the all currents I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, and I6. Just write all node equation, node 2 equation, and node 3 equation, and writing the equation. 5 is simple, 6 is simple, 7 is simple. You will get stuck in question number 9, because 9 is something which has this. This is something which has, there is no resistance here. यहाँ पे resistance नहीं है. So if you take this as a reference, you can directly take this as plus 5 volt. Because there is rise. ये plus से connected है ना, ये plus से connected है और ये minus से connected है. This you take as a reference, so it becomes plus. If it is like this, फिर क्या करेंगे इसको? If it is like this, so there is a fall, no? From here to here is a fall of 5 volt. So this becomes minus 5. So that type of numerical are done in this way. Okay. So let's
Okay, thank
take
you,
the
ma'am.
break. Okay. Have the break of 15 minutes. We'll meet again, and we will start with fresh topic, and that will be superposition theorem. Yeah, this will be our next class. Okay. I'll remain log in. You can log out.